Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I want us to talk about the singer Sne Lokahiso, who is her ex-boyfriend. So they were basically talking about the fact that Usne fell pregnant for his ex-boyfriend while she was dating Ukahiso. And Usne is saying she actually slept with her boyfriend in November and then fell pregnant, and she didn't know that she was pregnant, and then wasihlangana Lokahiso in February the following year, and then she then found out later that she was pregnant, and then she just assumed the baby is Kahiso's because since siyaheva vele Lokahiso and we're not using protection, so I'm just assuming that the baby is his. So hey guys, yeah, Ukahiso is saying that that thing really hurt him to an extent ukuthi ngesikhathi find out ukuthi the baby is not his. He was in disbelief. Wayengakholwa nje ukuthi no, the baby, how can the baby not be his? Njani sinethi nasiheva and singasebenzisi i-protection Nkosi yami? Like, what are you trying to say? So he's saying, guys, another thing that I noticed about Ukahiso is that like I could see ukuthi he was hurt by this thing, but ngathi ule that thing eyokuthi uyazama ukuvala ukuba hurt wakhe with a smile into enjalo nje yabo. But guys, still on that, I saw a lot of comments on TikTok saying that hey Ukahiso ngathi udlalele enye team. They were saying ukuthi Ukahiso ngathi he is gay, so we don't know if he's gay or he's bisexual. When mina lami nje angifuni ukuzenza umuntu omsulwa mina, ngithe ngibukele that scene, the first thought that came into my mind was, is this guy straight? Because indlela khuluma ngayo, it's giving a baddie. I don't know, man. Yazangazi, but indlela nje abekhuluma ngayo Ukahiso was giving a baddie. So asazi Nkosi yami bandla, asazi. But you know, I have seen bakhona abantu besilisa abanjalo that are actually married that I have seen, you know. Ngimbuka ubaba abantu ngithi lo baba ngathi angazitholela boyfriend yazi abe right. So I'm just saying, guys, ukuthi, and futhi ama thoughts lawa ayazibuyela enqondweni. Why yazi into ebuhlungu ngama thoughts ukuthi ama thoughts, they just come to your mind, you don't even invite them. Like angazi kuyaphoma kufika enqondweni uzithole nje usucabanga ukuthi hayibo phela this person looks like, okay, he has a girlfriend, but looks like he also needs a boyfriend, you know. Anyways, but I'm just saying ukuthi people were pointing it out on TikTok ukuthi Ukahiso looks gay, either gay or bisexual, you know. But asaz mina, I don't know, guys. Angazi shem, maybe he's just a softie, maybe he's just a soft guy, because vele he comes off as someone who is soft. Iqanda Nkosi yami, angazi qanda lani, qanda le Grootman or ini angazi Nkosi yami, but I'm just saying he comes off as umuntu o soft and cute, man. Ngathi ngumuntu o cute, ngathi wese Kahiso, like something like that. Anyways, guys, Usne indaba esegudwini, Usne uhluphisile shem. Usne, guys. When they were having a conversation, there was a part was like, I know obviously that you have moved on, and then Ukahiso like responded to yes, I have moved on, obviously, you know. Usne kwaba khona indawana eba hate ukuthi ayibo uJohn moved on. That time Usne was also saying ukuthi, oh, I know that you have moved on, just like I have moved on. I have a boyfriend now who is ubaba wengane, you know. but uKahiso mayise sithi khona yena. Guys, if you watched Ingane Zesithembu, that scene, you will tell me, I'm sure you saw ukuthi uSne kube khona indawana encane ebonisa ukuthi uSne is hurt by the fact that uKahiso uthi he has moved on. Okusho ukuthi uSne ufuna nje like angazi, in my mind I was like, hayibo Sne, are you telling me ukuthi you are hurt by the fact that uKahiso has moved on ngoba uyamfuna la wena ule boyfriend? Ayisinekela ubuhwaba bamadoda ngeke, yekela ubuhwaba bamadoda, chiyela abanye abantwana Nkosi yami bantu, chiyela abanye abantwana ngeke phela wonke abenga wakho ngeke. Anyways guys, uSne when I was watching that scene, in my mind ukhona unye kumfikeleyo futhi ngathi what if uSne lo Kahiso they actually sleep nje ehoteleni nalena? What if bahevile guys? Maybe bebezaba lenhloni nje just because there were cameras everywhere and stuff, but best believe if there were no cameras, Nkosi yami, I think bebezo futhi angifuni ufaka uKahiso phakathi, ngifuna ufaka uSne kuphela. uSne ubeza Nkosi yami, ngakuthiwa uKahiso ngumuntu nje who wanted to take advantage and all that. Ecele nje kuSne Sne akunchayise kancane ngingakahambi, akunchayise one for the road. uSne ubeza thawu Nkosi yami, lapha amanzi ake amakhona ayaphinda ame futhi. Mhlamba khulelwe futhi njalo because uSne kunini uSne ethembisa ukuthi ngokugcina ngeke mphinde and ephinda futhi. Yo guys, uSne ufana le ndoda echithayo ethi ingachitha ithi oh my gosh, I made a mistake, I'm never gonna do it again, please forgive me. uSne exactly sithi ngeke mphinde ngimithe, aphinde futhi amithe uSne ngemva kokube sethe ngeke ngiphinde ngimithe. Yo guys, anyways, indaba kaKahiso. Guys, do let me know on the comment section, what do you think about uKahiso? Do you think he's just like a soft guy, you know, like just a soft guy, or Konte off sham. Anyways guys, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.